Hey guys, well, we moved shorty. Anyways, here is the problem. So the tire is tilted out, so we don't know. We don't know what is going on here. The tire is like that there. Bring it back here. See, it's tilted to one side. So I'm thinking it needs new kink pins or whatever the guy hit, bent it. Supposedly. I don't know. I mean, this is pretty heavy duty stuff here, right? So I don't know whether the bearing packed it in, took the bearing out or something. I'm not too sure. Obviously, there's something going on there. I'll have to address that. I mean, there's really not much that goes wrong. I mean, you know, it's pretty straightforward. But I don't know if there's I think there's a bushing, a bearing in there somewhere. Probably busted it, and that's why it's like that. Or unless I'm really hoping he didn't bend the axle. I mean, you have to hit something pretty goddamn hard to bend the axle. I don't see no bend marks in it. You know, I don't know. What do you guys think? So, I'm not too sure. So there you have it. I don't know. Obviously, he put it back together and there's stuff that's kind of pounded out there where it shouldn't be. But I don't know. I don't know enough about it to know exactly what happened here. But if the bearings are taken out, either one or the other, or however it works, then obviously I'll come up with a problem. So I don't know. I think something is cockeyed in there, and that's what the problem is. But we're gonna order some parts for it and see what's gonna happen. I think we'll crawl into there another day. But yeah, so there you have it. But we have to address this kink pin here. We're gonna do both sides, so may as well do both sides and see what's going on here. We don't know. Like he took apart this side for a reason. He said he hit something. We don't know. We just don't know what's going on. I'm really hoping he didn't bend this axle. It's pretty heavy shit to bend this thing. So if he took out the bearings and maybe bent the spindle, that's one thing, but hopefully he didn't bend the axle. So we'll have to see what happens, I guess. So anyway, stay tuned for that. There you have it. Another headache project. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And if you have any ideas what can go wrong here, please put it in the comments below. I just don't know. It looks pretty straightforward. I don't know what's actually in here. I don't know if there's like cup bearings or bushing bearings, or I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure what's there. But well, I guess maybe we'll get into it. But to buy the tool that takes out the bearings, the special press you buy takes out the bearings, because they can be a real pain in the ass. Alright guys, talk to you later.